Okay, so I went a little bit long on that video. I guess I've got a time limit of 15 minutes, and I went past it on that one. So here, just a recap. Example 613, we're talking about the hours that children watch television. And this problem is about essentially the central limit theorem. Even though the distribution itself is normally distributed, that basically doubles down on the idea that the distribution of sampling means is absolutely going to be normally distributed. So what we're having to remind ourselves is that the uh, standard deviation for this distribution is related to the standard deviation for the original distribution, but it is divided by the sample size because we're not in the distribution of itself, we're in the distribution of sampling means. So I was about to go ahead and finish this calculation so we get our z-score of 1.93. I believe that's what that says. Just going to round up to 1.94 because the next digit is a 7. And then we're going to go ahead and look up that area, and that will be our result. So let's go ahead and do that. We have a right area, so we can do that trick of looking up the opposite of the z-score. So that would be negative 1.94. Where is it? Here. So I see 0. Am I reading this right? Should probably get my glasses. It's not on the screen anyway, so let's pause. Okay, so I've located my glasses and found the appropriate focal distance for this. So I'm looking at 1.94, and there it is. We see 2.62%. Yes, so our z value of negative 1.94 would yield a left area of 0.0262, I believe is what I said. I think that's what we looked at. Can't remember. Okay. And so that would be our probability of our z-score landing above positive 1.94. So that would be our probability of the average sample of size 20 children having an average of above 26.6, 26.3 hours of watching television. Okay, so that one was just to quickly summarize and finish up with Chapter 6, Section 3, example number 6-13 off of page 347. So the last video went a tad long. We'll do a couple more short examples for this, but basically the central limit theorem is going to be what we are using for a large portion of the program in the days and weeks to come. Okay, thank you.